Hello my YouTube family, and thank you very much for clicking on my video. So for today we're actually going to go ahead and do a review on the iPhone wallet, the one that you could be able to purchase through Apple. Now I will say this, a couple of reviews ago I actually did a review on some of these kickstand wallets that you could actually attach to the back of your phone. Now I will say that those wallets were actually attached with adhesive. They actually had adhesive and they would go ahead and just stick to your phone. So you could basically put them on any phone, right? It didn't have to be the iPhone. You could put those on any phone. But people reached out to me and they were kind of like, hey man, can you be able to go ahead and review the iPhone wallet one? You know, that leather one, is that one pretty good? Can you be able to tell us what you think of that one? And I said, you know what, let me go ahead and pick that up. But better yet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick two other ones as well and compare them and see which ones are better, you know, in regards to the quality and how strong are they really when they're staying on the phone, right? Because that's the thing that matters to me. So I figured, hey, why not pick them up? So I do have the iPhone wallet one, as you guys could see. The iPhone wallet. I went ahead and picked up the Spigen one. There's something similar to it. And I picked up this, I already cut it open also because I was already going to go ahead and I'm like, I don't want to waste my time opening these things up. This, what is it? Sinjimoru wallet. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and start looking into these. So here we have the iPhone leather wallet. It's the MagSafe, as you guys can see. It's the black one that I went ahead and picked up. Basically tells us, basically goes attached to the MagSafe feature in the back of the phone. So let's go ahead and open this up. See if there's anything else that comes in here. Come on, stickers. Come on, stickers. No. No. We got no stickers. Apple, come on. It's like a little kid. You know, just throw some stickers in there. Give me something. But it is what it is. So we'll go ahead and move that to the side. The wallet itself feels real smooth, man. It feels real soft. The bag feels nice and soft. It's so nice soft leather. Let's go ahead and smell this really quick. Smells like good leather, man. Smells like good leather. Not bad. So let's take a quick look at it. Okay, you got your detailed logo right there, right onto the leather, so you can be able to see that. Okay, you have the stitching going all the way around. See that on the edge, both ends. Both ends. You can see that go all the way around. That's pretty cool. Nice. You know what I like about this too is that it's actually it's already giving you some of that room for you to go ahead and be able to put some cards in there. There's some of these wallets that they're trying to make them as thin as possible, that they're not letting the leather stretch a little bit. So as soon as you start putting cards in there, what ends up happening is if you put too many cards in some of these wallets that are really thin, the problem is that it'll start to expand or stretch out the leather, but also the threading, right? So this whole threading here will go ahead and start to stretch. And next thing you know, all of this rips open and forget it. Now you're going to have a wallet that you can't use anymore because the whole thing's going to start to fall apart. So you have to be cautious with things like that. So on the back here, you have your little feature where you push it up, and that's how you're going to access your credit cards that you're going to be putting into your wallet. So let's go ahead and get some of these credit cards here. So we have, I have 4, but let's go ahead and just try 3 of them because this is supposed to be only for 3. So let's try the 3. Okay, can you guys hear this? I hope you guys could hear that, because you could actually hear that there's some kind of gizmo or something that's actually holding the wallet here. Right here, as soon as you put it in, it's squeezing it down. Because you could see that there's still a little gap here. Right? But if you shake it, credit cards are not going to fly out. And you can shake it as fast as you want, and it's not going to fly out. And this is my strong arm. I'm using my strong arm here. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. This is my strong arm. And nope. It did move a little bit. You can see that. It did move a little bit, but it didn't come out. Access your card. Simple as that. Push up, and there you go. So let's go ahead and put the other cards. Let's do 2. And that went in with no issues. Let's try the third one. That one as well. Let's see, can we do the fourth one? Nah, it's tight already for the fourth one. So you don't even want to try it. Can you force it in there? Yeah. Can you force it in there? Yeah, you probably can. But you don't want to do that. You're going to go ahead and tear this thing apart. So no. So that's 3 cards, and there you go. Access your cards. It's as simple as that. That's not bad. I like that. I like that it fits 3 cards. And of course, they're all nice and tight in there. They're not going to fly out. But let's put it in the back of the phone. Okay. The phone recognized that you do have a MagSafe accessory being attached to it. So that's good. And let's see how good is it. That's good. That's on there, man. Let me use my good arm. I mean my strong arm. Yeah. Nope. That's not going anywhere. If you push it up, of course, if you put it with enough force, you're going to pop that out. Let me go ahead and put a case on it. This is the Case2 slim case, so there's like nothing on there's no protection on this case whatsoever. It's just basically just to protect it from scratching and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and put it on that. Okay, the phone recognized it. Oh, you know what, this is okay. It recognized it and it's on there, right? Very minimum shaking, right? But oh no, that's not gonna work. That's not going to work. I'm not even doing it really with a lot of force. That's not going to happen. Now you know that on a third-party case with the MagSafe wallet on it, it's not going to be something that it would be recommended at all. So let's take off the case, and actually let's go ahead and put in the iPhone case. So let's go ahead and attach it to that. Oh yeah, it grabbed it right away. Yeah, it attached it right away. So basically then, if you want to go ahead and use this, if you want to go ahead and put a case on your phone, you're going to want a case that's going to have that MagSafe feature on it. Now, yes, this one was through T-Mobile. I went ahead and purchased it to them, and it was $50 when I picked it up from them. But there's a lot of third-party cases out there that have that MagSafe feature already on them. So you could get something maybe for $20-25 also. So, you know, you don't necessarily have to buy an Apple one, but you do need it to have that MagSafe feature already attached to it in the back to be able to go ahead and give you that strong connection when you're putting your wallet on it. So just a word of advice, guys. So, so that's the Apple one, all right? So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next one that I have, it's actually the Spigen one. You guys can see here. It's for the iPhone 12 series. Just push the cards out from the back. All right, let's go ahead and open this baby up. There's nothing else in there. Wow, look at the color on this one is different. Wow, the color on this one is very different. The Spigen one actually looks darker than the Apple one. And they're both black, but this one's just darker. And if you guys look at it, I don't know if you guys can see it too much in this light. There you go, like that. You can be able to see that. This one's a lot darker. Let's go and do the smell test on this one. Nice, good fake leather. Yeah, I don't think this is leather. Has that little vinyl-y smell to it. But regardless, it looks nice. Have a nice little leather insert there to give you room. And again, see, if you notice on this one, it did the same thing, just like the Apple. It raises it up a little bit. So that way it has room for the cards when you're going to put them in there. You have that nice stitching all the way around. That's nice. I like when they go ahead and put some nice good craftsmanship into these things. Look at this. The back is a nice good like smooth fabric. It's not a leathery touch, it's more like a fabric touch on the back of it. I did notice that it has a little bit of an opening here. Look here, let's try it. Let's try putting the cards in there. Oh, okay, so this one does the same thing. Let's do the 2 cards. And the 3 cards. Oh, I don't know. The third one was a little tight in there. Again, this could be because it's brand new. So, did the third one fit in there tight? Yeah, it did. It could be because it's a brand new wallet. So of course it's going to be tight in there. But you could see that if it's in, it does not expand anything. Everything still looks the same. You can see that. Still looks the same. Nothing stretched out. Everything looks good. So when you go ahead and try to take it out, see, it's not going to come out. Once I put in that third one, it was a little too tight. But you could actually push the cards here from this little opening, and now you could be able to go ahead and access your cards that way. So you could do it that way as well. You know, and I'm sure that's why they probably put it in there, because they're probably saying, hey, Apple could do 3 cards, we could do 3 cards too, but this is not going to work. This is going to work here. And now you can be able to go ahead and access your cards that way. But if you're only going to go ahead and use 2 cards on this wallet, this feature works. Just using the 2. Which, to be honest with you, I would always carry just 2 cards. I think I would just carry maybe my ID card and my credit card, or maybe just the 2 cards that I need, whether it be an emergency credit card and then my regular debit Chase card. Just on this. Really, to be honest with you, if I'm going to be carrying this around, that's the way I would use it. But that's pretty cool. So again, that's the Spigen wallet. You guys could take that look. That looks nice. Let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and take out the next one. The next one is the Sinjimoru. This one has a flap. So I had opened it up earlier because I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I don't have to waste time opening it. Okay. Okay, yep. So this one is telling you that it's for the MagSafe. Right? Giving you some instructions there in the back. Put that to the side. Oh, this one's you could tell the difference between these 2 quality wallets and now this one. This one, you can see here, it's not real leather. I actually thought that this was some kind of a fabric-y thing, but no, it's not. It's actually vinyl. Take this out. Oh yeah, you can see that. Look at that. You can see that. It's vinyl. But it does have the MagSafe on the back. Let's go ahead and see. The thing with this one, man, this is not going to be that big of a deal when you're putting the cards in. I'm not even going to shake it because look at this. You could go ahead and put 1 card in there. You could put in 2 cards in there. You could put in 3 cards in there. You could put in 4 cards in there. Maybe even 5. Because you have a flap that's going to hold those cards in there for you. That's going to hold those cards in there for you. And of course, they're not going to fly out because you got the flap in there. That's holding them all in there for you. Now, I will tell you this. If you're going to go ahead and take out your credit cards, you could take them out this way if you want. Right? If you could take them out this way, you could push here to give you a little bit of help if you need to. Right? To be able to push it. Because this is more of a stretchy fabric type of thing. Oh, the last one is a little bit tough, but that's because it's holding on to this back part of it. But you could see, look at this. This is the type of fabric that it has that's going to be holding your credit cards in there. But then let's go ahead and try it on the phone. So let's go ahead and put 3 cards in there for now because we want the same weight as the other ones. So let's go ahead and put the 3 cards. Let's put the flap the way we would do it normally. Take these out of the way. Take these out of the way. Put the flap on there. Wow. That one snapped right on there. Yeah, it's good. It's not going to fly off. Try it with the case. The case coup. Okay, it snaps on there. But see, it's the same thing. Case coup doesn't have the feature. So yeah, it stays on there. It's going to slide right off. So don't even bother, guys, with the third-party cases that doesn't have that MagSafe feature on it. The iPhone one, perfect. It works. It's not gonna fly out. So that's awesome. I like that. Oops, sorry, wrong way. But that's not bad, guys. I think that in regards to the wallets, This one was probably going to be the cheapest. This one's going to run you into, here, let me go over the prices with you guys really quick. And I'll put the links down below so that way you guys could be able to see that. The Apple one is going to be $49.99. Okay, the Apple one is going to be $49.99. That's going to go ahead and set you back $50. This one is going to be, the Spigen one is $21.99. That's the Spigen one. This is going to be the cheapest one of all, but of course this one doesn't even give you that fake leathery look. It's just not leathery at all. So, but you notice it has more security in regards to your cards because it has this thing nice, this little flap. It has this little flap that's going to go ahead and protect your cards. But this one's going to run you $14.99. But there you go, guys. You guys tell me. I think that out of the three that I just went ahead and reviewed, I got to go with the Spigen one. I think the Spigen one, it looks really nice. I like that it's a lot more darker in color. So I think that this is the one that I would prefer when it comes to, I know that if you put that third one in there, it's going to be a little tough, but it does give you that little opening down here in the bottom that you could be able to go ahead and just push the cards out if you really need to. But to be honest with you, I'm the type of guy that's going to probably just use 2 cards on this instead of using the 3. But you guys have it there, man. It's all 3 of them. You guys tell me what you guys think of them. Any question that you guys have, put it down in the comments. You know, let me know in regards to this. But one more thing before we go ahead and say goodbye. Please hit like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, click on that little bell. That way, anytime I go ahead and post any new content, you guys go ahead and get a notification that I'm putting more content up there. I will put the links in the bio so that way you guys can go ahead and purchase these items if you want to. But other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. You guys stay safe, take care of each other, and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.